Welcome back to One Crafty Ginger. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance finds, thrift store flips, some haul videos, and rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. So I am super excited about today's video. I have the cutest little projects you guys are ever going to see. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for you to see. As always, a list of the supplies needed will be in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get started. Right, so I'm going to be using these mini glass containers from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to take the lid off and we are going to fill these bad boys. So we have options. So the first option is taking some of this snow that I got from the Dollar Tree, this faux glitter snow. Oh, it's a little messy, y'all. Sorry for the crinkling. And we're going to put some snow in here. So that's our first little jar. And you know I like options. So for jar number 2, we're going to put some snow in here, but we're going to add a little something something. Fair warning, it's a little messy. It's a little messy. A little bit extra in there. And then I'm going to take one of these little branches from the Dollar Tree, these little berry bushes, and I'm going to pop off some of these berries because I want to put them in my little jar. So pop your berries. That sounded really wrong. I apologize. And then you could throw them in there to give it a little color. How freaking cute is that? So that's bottle number 2. And if you want, you can dump out a little bit more of the snow because it's a little snow heavy. And I want to see more of the berries. There we go. There we go. So there's number 2. Number 3, you can use straight up glitter from the Dollar Tree if you want. They have all these different pretty craft glitter pots. So if you wanted to, you could take some of this craft glitter. Shiny! That's for you, Constance, over at Butterfly Mom Creations and more. Shiny! You could put glitter in your pot or your jar. But wait, there's more. They also sell this tube confetti at Dollar Tree. So if you wanted to, you could bust out some tube confetti. See if I can get it out without making a huge mess. I swear I need to change my name to the Messy Crafter because I get this all over the place, y'all. All over the place. Yep, it's everywhere. That's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So if you wanted more of like a blue snow look, you could do some confetti glitter in there, which is always fun. And then last but not least, another option for your jar are these fun glass beads. They come in different colors, so you can mix like red and green. Or if you want to do more like a neutral look, you can use these neutral color glass beads. So you could take your little jar here. And you can pop off that. Isn't that so flipping cute, you guys? Look at that little cork. It comes right off. And you can pour some glass beads in your jar. Like so. And if you wanted to, you can even like mix and match some colors. What do we got here? Oh, that's black. I don't want black. We'll do maybe, no, we'll stick with the white. If it ain't broke, right? We'll stick with the white. Okay. So I'm sure you're thinking to yourself, Mercedes, we got all these jars with stuff in them. What are we doing with all these jars? Well, it's a good thing you asked, because, my friends, we're going to be taking these super cute mini trees and we're going to glue them on top of the jars. How cute is that? So, I'm going to grab our jars. I'm going to slap some glue on there. I'm going to pop these cutesy wootsy little trees on our jars. Like so. Make sure your jar is cleared off of any debris. Sorry with my shaky hands. And if you wanted to as well, what would be super cute is even if you have these little glass jars with the corks, who says you can't glue a tree on there? You could do that if you want. So we have these cute little jars with these cute little trees, but wait, we're not done yet. We gotta zhuzh it up some. So I have options for you there, my friends. So they have this cotton twine at the Dollar Tree that you can use. They have this yarn that you can use. You can use lace ribbon. You can use, they also have this baker's twine at the Dollar Tree if you can't find the lace ribbon. So there's lots of options for you to use. So we're going to zhuzh it up. Okie doke. So for my first little tree here, I'm going to separate, oh no, tree down. I'm going to use just some of this red and white baker's twine from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to cut some off. And then I'm going to wrap it around my little tree here. So I'm going to wrap it around a couple of times to give it a little oomph, so to speak. And then I'm going to attempt to tie a bow, but apparently I'm on the struggle bus today. Riding the struggle bus. We're riding the struggle bus. Oh boy. There we go. So it's a little hard, but we'll get there. We're going to get there, my friends. And we're going to tie a bow. We're going to try it. We're going to get there. It's going to happen. It might take me a minute. You guys are going to watch me struggle. So while I'm struggling with this bow, has anybody decorated for Christmas yet? I'm curious to know. When do you guys decorate? Or not even just Christmas. Do you decorate for winter, Hanukkah, any sort of like the winter holiday season? Do you guys decorate? And if so, when do you decorate? Because like I said, I'm kind of curious to find out when everybody decorates for the holidays. I'm going to try to get decorated this week. I know it's before Thanksgiving. Usually I wait till after Thanksgiving. But as you guys have probably seen in some of my posts, with the world and the state it is and how sad and scary everything is right now, I figured, you know what, we can use a little cheer. So I'm going to decorate a little early this year. So there is a cute little tree with the berries and the baker's twine. And then I have to find, you guys, because I'm not a hot mess, I'm a spicy disaster. I have some vintage ribbon that I got from my aunt. And I think the vintage ribbon would look so pretty with like this gold. Silver and gold, silver and gold means so much more when I see silver and gold decorations on every Christmas tree. What holiday movie is that from? Comment down below, you guys. That is something I have done. I have started watching holiday movies. What have I watched so far? Let's see, I watched A Christmas Story. I watched The Santa Claus, How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and Charlie Brown Christmas. And I think that's the Christmas movies that I have watched so far this year. Or so far this season. Okay. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is so pretty with the vintage ribbon. You guys, look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty, you guys. Isn't that, oh, that is gorgeous. And so if you don't want to just have your cutesy wootsy little tree, you know, to put on a tier tray, I got you. You could just take some extra twine here. Give yourself some length. And then we're going to tie it around here in the back. I'm going to attempt to tie it around here in the back. I'm going to double knot it. So it's nice and tight. And then I'm going to take it and just pull it through a knot here and give it some extra length in case we have any issues later. And voila! It's a Christmas tree ornament that you can hang on your tree, or like if you want to make it, you can make it shorter and hang it on a mini tree. Isn't that like so adorable, you guys? I mean, they're just so cute, and there's so many different ways that you guys can play around with these trees, and it's so easy. So love it. Let me know. Comment down below if you guys are going to be trying out making some of these cutesy wootsy little trees, because I would love to know. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video and today's projects. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. It's completely free and it helps me out. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Come join my family over here. We have a good time. We have lots of fun, laughter, shenanigans, and it's a one-stop shop for all of your entertainment needs. I do a little bit of everything here. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful time, and until next time, goodbye.